माइक वाला बटन है ना वो दबाकर म्यूट करो. Yes, amazing. Thank you. All right. So last time we started with chapter number 2, which is the structure and function of plants, right? And then what did we start with? We started by revising the parts of the plant. Okay, we started by revising the parts of the plant. Who can name all the 4 parts to me? What are the 4 parts over here? Ilu and Mehek, you're not on mute. Mustaqim, you're not Thank you, Mustaqim. Yes, Illu and Mehek. What were the 4 parts that we discussed? 4 parts of a plant? Just list them.
Flower, leaves, roots, stem.
Them. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. All right. Who can tell me what was the function of roots? Shifa, you want to try? What is the function of roots?
Didi, ये roots has different types, and he is in the ground. He मतलब स्टेम को एकदम पकड़ के रखता है कि वो मतलब हवा चले तो कहीं पेड़ उड़ के चले ना जाए.
Amazing.
Absorb mineral, salt, water and ये
It's okay. It's okay. Amazing, Shifa. You said you told it amazingly well, and you were absolutely correct. Anybody who wants to tell me what did we learn about the function of a stem? Anyone who hasn't tried yet? What did we learn about the function of the stem? Yes, Miss Pa.
Didi, stem supports the plant and help them to get carrying food, minerals and water.
Amazing. Amazing. Thank you, Miss Ba. Anybody who can tell me the function of leaves? Quickly, guys. This is just revision. We have to quickly finish it. Who can tell me the function of leaves? Yes, Abib. Unmute yourself and speak.
Miss, the function of leaves is to produce roots and get minerals and plant to go to.
Okay, thank you very much, Habib. Please put yourself back on mute. Anybody who can tell me the function of flowers? Yes, we are just revising. Okay, Faizan. Ilu, I want to give somebody else a chance. Anybody else other than Ilu and Mehek who want to tell me the function of flowers? Iram is saying stem holds the plant and not let it fly away in the air. Okay, thank you very much, Iram. Anybody who quickly wants to try? Someone new, not the ones who've already answered. All right, who wants to try? Fatima, what is the function of flowers? फूल क्यों होते हैं पौधों में? Unmute yourself and speak. You don't know? Okay, no problem. That is fine. Guys, it's okay, all right. Anything you know, you can speak. You don't have to be absolutely correct. Hello, yes.
Didi, I want to answer.
Okay, say Lu, say.
Didi.
Yes, say Lu.
The flower makes seeds for plants. The flower makes seeds for plant.
Thank you, Ilu. Thank you very much. Please put yourself back on mute. Thank you for answering. All right. So these are the functions of different parts of plants that we discussed last time. Okay. All right. Then what did we discuss here? We discussed that there are 2 parts of a seed, the radicle and the plumule. Okay. one part is called radical and one part is called plumule. Who can tell me यहाँ पे radical क्या है और plumule क्या है? Illu, if you again unmute yourself without raising your hand, I will have to mute you guys permanently. Okay, we will first raise our hand. When Didi asks you to answer, then we'll answer. Okay, otherwise it'll be very chaotic. Yes, Zev, what is the radical here and what is the plumule?
दीदी रेडिकल सीड है
Okay.
और पेडिक्यूल ये ऊपर का
जो green green part है, right?
Yes.
Amazing, Joseph. You're completely right. Faizan, can you tell me what does the plumule grow into and what does the radical grow into? Faizan? Yes, Faizan, say.
Radical grow into the soil and the plumule grow into the stem.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you, Faizan. Please put yourself back on mute. So ये जो white part है, Illu, you want to add something? Unmute yourself and speak. Sorry, repeat again.
The part of the seed that grows toward to the soil is called radical.
Amazing. Okay. Guys, what is the one way you can remember it? Illu, please put yourself back on mute. Thank you very much for answering. Illu and Mehek, both of you are answering very well. Okay. I'm very proud of how excited you are to answer. Okay. Very good, guys. Okay. So, ये जो सीट का व्हाइट पार्ट आपको दिख रहा है इसको रेडिकल बोलते हैं. ठीक है. हाय मुस्तकिम, हाय तालिब. Guys, please put yourself on mute, okay, and be ready with your science notebooks. Talib and Mustaqim, can you please turn on your videos so I can see you? Vivek, Fardeen, Sabah. Guys, please put your videos on, okay? Maruf, can you please mute yourself? And please put your video on. Please put yourself on mute and please keep your video on. Okay, guys? Thank you, Vivek and Fardeen. Thank you, Maruf. Okay, guys. तो ये जो white part है इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Radical. Radical क्या बनता है? Radical बनता है root. How can you remember it? R. Radical में भी R है. Iram, you're off mute, Baba. Please put yourself on mute. Radical में भी no problem. Radical में भी R होता है. Roots में भी R होता है. Yes, Maruf, unmute yourself and speak.
Mitch, लिखा है क्या कुछ अभी?
नहीं बाबा, we are just discussing, okay?
Yes.
Get your science notebook, okay, Maruf? We'll write now. Okay. So radical में भी R है, roots में भी R है, okay? तो radical क्या बनता है? Roots. ये जो white part दिख रहा है आपको, ये radical कहलाता है. ये क्या बनता है? Roots. और ये seed का जो green part दिख रहा है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Plumule. Okay, plumule क्या बनता है? Stem. Okay, so like you can see here, plumule is becoming the stem. Plumule क्या बन रहा है? Stem. और radical क्या बन रहा है? Roots. Okay, amazing, guys. Now we are going to discuss a little bit more about roots. ठीक है, आज हम roots के बारे में थोड़ा और पढ़ेंगे. Who can repeat to me कि roots का function क्या होता है? Noushin, can you tell me अगर roots नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा? Roots नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा?
दीदी झाड़ नहीं उगेंगे.
झाड़ नहीं उगेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. और क्या होगा? अनिकेत, रूट्स नहीं होंगे तो क्या होगा? अनिकेत एंड देन मारूफ.
दीदी फूड नहीं उगेंगे.
फूड नहीं उगेगा. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. मारूफ, क्या होगा अगर रूट्स नहीं होंगे तो?
मिस फ्रूट नहीं उगेंगे और वो जो झाड़ गाड़े वो भी ठीक से उगेगा नहीं. अरे चुप बैठो ना.
Maruf, please mute yourself. Shifa is saying we will not get food. Sabha is saying there'll be no water in the plant. Exactly, water ही नहीं होगा plant में. Faizan is saying roots soak up water and minerals in the store food, right? So guys, don't you think अगर roots नहीं होंगे तो plant उड़ जाएगा, हवा में उड़ जाएगा, है ना? उसको soil में पकड़ के क्या रखता है? Plant को soil में पकड़ के क्या रखता है? Roots. Okay. और क्या होगा? और प्लांट को पानी नहीं मिलेगा. फातिमा, प्लांट को पानी क्यों नहीं मिलेगा अगर रूट्स नहीं होगा तो? फातिमा बोलो बाबा, अगर रूट्स नहीं होगा तो प्लांट को पानी क्यों नहीं मिलेगा? अनम्यूट करके बोलो. वेरी गुड. इलू एंड महक आर सेइंग प्लांट विल डाई. इरम इज सेइंग प्लांट विल डाई.
दीदी प्लांट से नहीं है तो
रूट्स नहीं होगा, अगर जड़ नहीं होगी तो पानी क्यों नहीं मिलेगा प्लांट को? प्लांट को पानी कहाँ से मिलता है?
पानी दीदी कोई और देता है.
सॉइल से मिलता है. कहाँ से मिलता है?
सॉइल.
सॉइल से. और सॉइल से पानी कौन निकालता है? रूट्स निकालते हैं, राइट? अमेजिंग. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Anybody else who wants to add something? Habib wants to add something. Yes, Habib.
मीन्स रूट ही नहीं रहेगा तो फिर मीन्स जो रूट रहती है वही पानी पर ऊपर हो जाती है.
Okay. Can you repeat again? I did not completely understand.
मीन्स जो रूट ही नहीं रहेगा तो जो पानी जो रहता है ना रूट के अंदर रहेगा फिर ऊपर ही नहीं पहुंच पाएगा.
Exactly. जो सॉइल में पानी रहता है वो प्लांट तक नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. अमेजिंग.
जो उगा है प्लांट होगा वो ना उसको पकड़ के.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Please put yourself back on mute. Aniket, mute yourself. Illu, you want to add something? Okay, I cannot hear Illu. Yes, Illu.
Didi, I want to.
हाँ बोलो.
We don't get sweet.
We don't get.
जो स्वीट, क्योंकि जो गन्ना रहता है वो लोग का भी जड़ रहता है. अगर गन्ना ही रहेगा तो हम लोग को शुगर और मीठा चीज नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay, thank you, Illu. We will not get sweets. Nihal is saying we will not get food or fruit. And roots take the water in the plant. Iram is saying amazing, guys, right? So roots have two functions. रूट्स के दो फंक्शन होते हैं. पहले तो वो प्लांट को पकड़ के रखता है, सॉइल में पकड़ के रखता है, और दूसरा वो सॉइल से पानी खींचता है. ओके, so it holds the plant in the soil and it absorbs water and minerals from the soil. Okay. Two functions. What are the two functions? Holding the plant and absorbing water and minerals. Okay, these are the two functions of roots. Okay guys, who wants to tell me what are the two differences? यहाँ पे दीदी ने दो टाइप के रूट्स दिखाए हैं. इसमें आपको डिफरेंट क्या दिख रहा है? लेफ्ट साइड में अलग टाइप का रूट है और राइट साइड में अलग. हुजैफ, डू यू वांट टू शेयर? आई कैन सी योर हैंड रेजिंग. Huzaif, do you want to share, Baba? I can see your hand raising. Hi,
Yes, दीदी.
Farzana. Yes.
अगर दीदी रूट नहीं रहेंगी तो रूट्स मेन वो है, मेन काम है. अगर रूट नहीं रहेगी ना तो कोई चीज भी नहीं बनेगी.
क्या चीज नहीं बनेगी बाबा? स्पेसिफिक बोलो.
फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स और
Okay.
एक्सेट्रा.
Amazing. Okay. तो प्लांट खाना नहीं बना पाएगा, is what you're
हाँ.
saying, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, guys, you want to share इसमें डिफरेंट क्या लग रहा है दो रूट्स में? Yes, Sabha. What is the difference? What is the difference between these two roots? Yes, Miss Ba, we'll write. Okay, don't worry. Yes, Sabha, you want to share? You're raising your hand. What is the difference between these two roots?
इसमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रूट्स है. एक में फ्रूट्स नीचे है, एक में रूट्स है.
Okay, amazing. Thank you, Sabha. Anybody wants to tell me कि आपको अंतर क्या दिख रहा है? What is the difference you can see? जो लेफ्ट साइड में 3 रूट्स हैं और जो राइट साइड में रूट है, What do you think is the difference between these two? Illu, you want to share what is different? Yes, Mehak and Illu. Yes.
One side is a root, one side is radish. Yeah. This is carrot, this is radish.
दीदी जो रेडिश रहता है ना वो मतलब क्या है क्या हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा है
एक कैरेट एक रेडिश
दीदी कैरेट है और एक रेडिश है क्या बोलूं
Okay. All right.
बीटरूट दीदी बीटरूट
Okay. Thank you very
Fat
much.
and
That's
thin
beetroot. Beetroot and carrot. Thank you, Illu. Please put yourself on mute again. Thank you, Faizan.
fat and thin
Faizan is saying taproot is penetrating deep into the soil, while fibrous root is shallow and does not penetrate as deeply. Thank you. Sabah is saying fat and thin. Habib is saying they're different, they're root and they're vegetable. Okay. Anybody else? One last response I'll take. What is the difference? Didi is saying that ये 3 टाइप के रूट्स है. ओके. और एक ये वाला रूट है. So what is the difference between these two? इसमें difference क्या है? इसमें और इसमें. What is the difference? Shifa wants to try and then Maruf. Yes, Shifa.
दीदी there is ये radish has in their own roots and there is plant there is some small roots and that here there is long roots to grow long tree plants.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Shifa. Maruf, you want to share something? Maruf and then Habib. Hiram, you're off mute, Baba. Thank you. Yes, Maruf, do you want to share something? Habib, you want to share something? Unmute yourself and share.
Means they are plants and they are not on root and they are grass.
Okay, thank you very much, Habib. Please put yourself back on mute. Yes.
Roots are very big and they are very long.
Okay, amazing. Farzana is saying small and big. Okay.
Hello.
Zoha is saying the middle one is food and the first and last one is only root. Okay. So there are lots of differences you guys saw. All right, amazing. Okay, now we are going to see what are these two types of fruits. Okay. Huzaif and Maruf, I'll listen to you next time. Okay, Baba. We have to move on. No, that is
Taproot
okay.
and fibrous root.
Thank you very much, Faizan. So there are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. What we are going to do first is we are going to take out our notebooks. We are going to start drawing this diagram. Okay, then Didi will explain you what are taproots and what are fibrous roots. We are going to use our pencils and we are going to draw this diagram. Huzaif, do you want to say something? Unmute yourself and speak. Yes, Huzaif, do you want to say something, Baba? Unmute yourself and
दीदी,
speak. हाँ जी.
इसमें ये लेफ्ट वाला स्मॉल रूट है और इसमें
हाँ.
बड़ा रूट है.
Okay, छोटा है और वो बड़ा है. Okay.
हाँ.
Thank you, Huzaif, for
Didi,
sharing.
can we make in taproot? Can we make carrot and in fibrous root coriander?
Yes, you can make it. Okay, but you have to be you have to depict it like properly. Okay. As long as you're showing it correctly, anything is okay. Guys, make sure you have started drawing the diagram because Didi is only going to give you 5 minutes. Yes, Habib, unmute yourself and speak. Yes. Yes, you have to start drawing. Start drawing this in your notebook. Get your pencils out and start drawing this diagram. If you have color pencils, you can color also. Okay. Very good. I can see Lu Mehek drawing. I can see Sabah drawing. Shifa drawing. Guys, everyone start drawing. Okay. I can see Fatima also drawing. Amazing. Zoya, Nosheen, start drawing. Miss Ba, I'm not sure if you're drawing. Please start drawing. Yes, Miss Ba, we have to to draw this in our notebook. Okay, we have to draw this in our notebook. Yes, Fatima, unmute yourself and speak.
दीदी बुक ऐसे में करके बना सकते हैं?
Sure. You can also draw it horizontally. No problem, Fatima. Please mute yourself again. Thank you, Fatima. Guys, we are going to draw this in our notebook and more about the types of. Who is off mute, Baba? Okay, nobody is. Great. And you are going to show it to me on screen. Once you have drawn a diagram, आप thumbs up नहीं देंगे, आप मुझे screen पर दिखाएंगे. Okay. Adit, please put yourself on mute. Thank you. आपका जब हो जाएगा ड्राइंग करके तो आप मुझे स्क्रीन पर दिखाएंगे, ठीक है? Guys, if you have color pencils, you can color it also green, okay? If you have color pencils, it's not compulsory. Hi, Sania. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sania, we are drawing this diagram, okay? Get your notebook and pencil and draw this in your notebook. Amazing. I can see Illu and Mehek showing me their diagram. Very good, guys. Well done. Well done, guys. Also, if you have color pencils, you can also color them, okay? Yes, Adit, unmute yourself and speak.
टीचर
हाँ जी,
कौन सा डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है?
ये आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है डायग्राम, दो पौधे.
दोनों?
हाँ, दोनों ड्रॉ करना है. Guys, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Don't worry. Shifa will send it to me on WhatsApp. No problem, Shifa. No problem at all. Guys, if you can show it to me on screen, show it to me on screen. Otherwise, send it to me on WhatsApp later, okay? I want to see all of your diagrams. Very good, Fatima. I can see Fatima is drawing. I think Maruf is also drawing. Shifa is drawing. Sabah is drawing. Illu and Mehak have already drawn. Nihal is drawing. Amazing, guys. Habib is drawing. Talib is also drawing. Ispa is also drawing. Amazing. Hi, Zara. Zoya, Nosheen, Vivek, Fardeen, Mustaqim. Please try to keep your videos on, guys. Adit will send me on WhatsApp. Adit, you have to send me, okay? Don't forget. Very good. Zoya is also drawing. I think Joseph is also drawing. Very good, guys. Yes, Sania.
दीदी मैं तब नहीं थी, ये मतलब ये जो 2 टाइप्स के रूट्स है मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
I will explain it to you, okay, Sania? Don't worry. We just discussed it in short. कि हमने बस डिस्कस किया है अभी. दीदी will explain, okay? Please show me a thumbs up once you are done. Huzef is showing me his diagram. Very well done, Huzef. Zoha is done. Zoha, can you show it to me on screen? Okay, well done, Zoha. Well done, Huzef. Guys, draw a good diagram, okay? Neat and tidy. Adit, show me your diagram. Guys, we will take 2 more minutes, okay? 2 more minutes to draw the diagram. Nihal is done. Thank you very much. Waiting for others to finish their drawing. I can see Talib's drawing. Amazing, Talib. Well done. Amazing, Iram. Amazing, Sabah. You guys have done amazingly well. Very pretty diagram, Iram. Habib is done. Okay, guys, we're going to wait for 1 more minute if someone is still drawing, and then we will move on, okay? Small bit is left. Shifa, finish it quickly, okay? In 1 minute, then we will move on. I can see Vivek's drawing. Very good, Vivek. Shifa is also done. Okay, guys, we are going to move on, okay?
दीदी मेरी ड्राइंग देखो.
हाँ, Baba, I saw your drawing. Vivek, it is very nice. I saw your drawing. Well done, guys. You've drawn really well. I'm very proud of you. Okay, Fatima, I can see you erasing. Are you done? Please show me a thumbs up if you are done. Okay, take 1 more minute and finish it quickly. Guys, don't much time, okay? You can see Misbah is also still drawing. Finish it quickly, okay, guys? Very good, Fatima. Well done. Very good, Fatima. Hi, Sahil Yaqub. Is Sahil Yaqub here? Whose voice did I hear?
Hi, teacher.
Yes, Sahil Yaqub. Hi, Sahil. Good afternoon. Sahil, try to be on time. Okay, next time, please be on time. Otherwise, you will miss a lot. ठीक है 1 बजे आना है exactly 1 बजे ठीक है Okay guys, we are going to move on to the next part. Give me 1 minute, okay? All right. Please keep yourself on mute, guys. Fatima, please keep yourself on mute. Okay. Where have you seen such a root? आपने ऐसा लाइफ में root कहाँ देखा है? Guys, I'm sure a lot of us have seen this root. Okay. Who can tell me where have we seen this root? Yes, Huzef. Huzef, unmute yourself and speak. हुज़ैफ आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बाबा
हेलो मिस पिक्चर करो लिखना है मुझे कैरेट
कैरेट ओके अमेजिंग थैंक यू हुज़ैफ
हेलो मिस पिक्चर करो ना मुझे ड्राइंग बनानी
मारूफ बाबा कैन यू डू इट आफ्टर क्लास हमारा टाइम जा रहा है ना ओके
नहीं बना
मारूफ आई सेंड इट टू यू आफ्टर क्लास बाबा प्लीज डू इट
मूली को क्या बोलते हैं
radish
अच्छा
okay. Guys, please raise your hand before unmuting yourself, okay? Otherwise, it will be a little chaotic. Okay, Faizan is saying farm, carrot, radish. Thank you. Shifa is saying village. Talib is saying in my village. Zoha is saying she's leaving. Zoha, please put it on charge and stay. No, Baba, don't leave. Iram is saying white carrot. Okay, Nihal is saying farm. Talib is saying farm. Ilu and Mehek are saying white carrot and radish. Amazing, guys. All of you almost have seen this kind of fruit, right? कहाँ पे देखा है radish? Okay, मूली का root ऐसा ही होता है carrot. Okay, carrot का root भी ऐसा होता है. Zara has seen this in village. Okay, मूली और गाजर के अलावा कहीं पे देखा है क्या? Other than radish and carrot, anywhere else you've seen this root? Anybody? I think Sania was raising her hand. Yes, Sania, do you want to share?
Didi, I see It is in the park.
In the park. Okay. मूली तालिब. Yes, मूली. मूली को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? radish. Okay. इंग्लिश में मूली को radish बोलते हैं. तो मूली हो गई, गाजर हो गई. All of this are this type of fruit. Okay. Also, have you seen beetroot? वो लाल लाल होता है, चुकंदर. Beetroot. उसका भी रूट ऐसा होता है, right? Right.
Yes,
So
yes.
beetroot also has this kind of fruit, right? So इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This is called tap root. Okay, what is this called? Tap root. Listening time, guys. We'll be reading with Didi. Okay, we'll be reading with Didi. Pens down, no writing, just reading. I should see everybody's lips moving. Tap root. A root that grows. Very good, Fatima, Habib, Sania. Vertically downwards and produces small secondary roots is called taproot. Shabista, I'll listen to you in 1 minute, okay, after we are done reading. Example, carrot.
Carrot,
Very good, Ilu. Very good, Maruf. Radish.
radish,
Joseph, keep yourself on mute, okay? Beetroot. Very good, mango. Very good, Shifa. Very good, Talib. Papaya. Okay. Thank you guys for reading. All of you were reading with me. That is amazing. We will take 2 minutes and write this in our notebook. Okay. Writing time. Yes, Shabista, you want to ask something? Yes.
दीदी मेरा नेट खत्म हो गया था तो आप पढ़ाए थे.
Baba, abhi just write this. Okay. We just do a diagram that I'll send it on the group. Okay. All right. Abhi ye likho, theek hai? Guys, you only have 2 minutes, so make sure you're writing it quickly. Okay.
दीदी ड्राइंग भी करने का है.
No, Baba, no drawing. Okay, don't draw. You're just supposed to write. Guys, no drawing. We've already drawn it, no? So we'll only write what Didi is telling you to write. Illu and Mehak are done writing so fast. How come? Itta jaldi likh liya. Thank you, Habib. Habib is writing. Zoha is writing. Very good, Maruf. Amazing, Zara. Amazing, Shifa. Talib is also writing. Iram, can you please put your video on? Vivek, can you please put your video on? Adit, Mustaqim, Faizan, can you please put your video on? Thank you, Iram. Nausheen is also writing. Amazing, guys. Very well done. Fatima is writing. Shabista is writing. Amazing, guys. Okay, guys, while you're writing, who can tell me vertically? What does vertically mean? What does vertically mean? The word vertically? Yes, Aniket, you want to answer it? Okay. Ilu and Mehak, do you want to answer? What does vertically mean?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Downward. Huh? Standing. Standing.
Standing. Amazing. Thank you very much, Illu. Habib, you want to answer? What does vertically mean?
Standing line.
Standing line. Thank you. Yes, Habib, what does vertically mean?
वर्टिकली मीन देख जो अंदर ही जो वेजिटेबल वो सॉल्ट के अंदर ही उगते हैं.
Okay. Thank you very much, Habib, for answering. Misbah, you want to share what does vertically mean? Yes.
Didi, I can see that previous screen. Does roots look the same? Why and why not?
Oh, you can see the same screen. 1 minute. Can you see it now? No. Okay, Misbah, write it down later on. Okay.
Okay.
Write it later on. Okay. Iram is saying standing line. Thank you, Iram. Sabah is saying standing like. Thank you. Yes, try to leave and rejoin. Try to leave and rejoin, Misbah. Sania, you want to answer? Yes.
Didi, in the way it different involve uh involve strength
Okay.
different types of strengths.
Okay, thank you very much, Sanya. Shabista, you want to answer? Shabista, are you there? Sanya, please put yourself back on mute. Okay, so like a lot of you guys said, Fatima, please put yourself back on mute. Thank you. Like a lot of you said, vertically means standing line. Thank you, Nehal. Amazing. Misbah, can you see now? Misbah, can you see now? All right. So vertically means seedha. Okay, vertical matlab seedha. Okay. So if you see, this is horizontal and this is vertical. Okay, this is horizontal and this is vertical. So horizontal means leta hua, vertical means aisa. Okay, standing. All right. So what is this saying? That a root that grows vertically downwards. So if you see this root, one root is going vertically downwards. Can you see it over here? Right? It is going deep into the soil. Right? And then a lot of secondary roots are coming out. Secondary roots means कि एक बड़ा रूट होता है जो एकदम अंदर जाता है और इस बड़े रूट से छोटे छोटे रूट्स निकलते हैं. राइट? इफ यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, ये छोटे छोटे रूट्स निकल रहे हैं. राइट? यहाँ पर छोटे छोटे रूट्स. ठीक है? तो ये छोटे छोटे रूट्स को क्या बोलते हैं? सेकेंडरी रूट्स. ऑलराइट. सो इन अ टैप रूट there is one big root which grows vertically downwards, and then out of that root a lot of small roots come out. Okay, छोटे छोटे बाल जैसे दिखने वाले roots, उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Secondary roots. All right, so we have one main root which is growing vertically downwards, and a lot of small roots come out of it. For example, carrot, radish, mango, beetroot. Okay, these are all tap roots. Okay, yes, thank you, Illu. Misbah, you want to say something?
Didi, did you change the screen or that was the same screen?
Same screen, Baba.
Okay.
Okay, I am going to move on, Misbah. You can write this later, okay? All right, where have you seen this type of root? ऐसा रूट कहाँ पे देखा है? Who can answer? Yes, Habib.
Miss, the grass.
Grass, amazing. Thank you, Habib. Anywhere else? Yes, Maruf. Illu is saying grass. Sabah is saying grass.
मिस खेत में
Khet mein,
मिस
amazing.
खेत में
Amazing. Faizan is saying coriander leaves, mint leaves. Iram is also saying mint. Sabah is saying tree. Amazing. Thank you, Maruf. Please put yourself back on mute. Thank you very much for answering. Iram is saying tree branches. Shifa is saying grass. Sabah is saying garden. Amazing, guys. Most of you are correct. Okay, Joseph, you want to unmute yourself and speak? Joseph?
Didi, grass.
Grass. Amazing. Thank you, Joseph. All right, guys. Now we're gonna move on. Listening time. We are going to be reading with Didi. I want to see all lips moving. Okay, I want to see everybody reading when I'm reading. Okay. Fibrous roots. Fatima, are you in the classroom? Are you paying attention? Reading time. Okay. Fibrous roots. Thread-like or fiber-like roots arising from the stem are called fibrous roots. Ilu, this is listening time. We are only going to listen and read. We are not going to write. Example: grass, onion, coconut palm, banyan, sugarcane. Amazing, guys. Most of you were reading very well. Very good. I'm so proud of you. All right. Talib, I will listen to you in 1 minute. Okay. Guys, this is your writing time. We are going to take 2 minutes and write this in our notebook. Very good. I can see Lu and Mehak have started writing. Sania has started writing. Yes, Talib, unmute yourself and speak. Talib, हाँ बोलो.
Yeah.
You were raising your hand, no, Baba?
नहीं.
अच्छा ठीक है. Please put yourself back on mute. Okay, no problem. Okay, Lu and Mehak, don't write. Don't. You are always writing when Didi is reading. That's why you finish first. I know. Reading time pe read no, guys. Why are you writing? Habib is writing. Talib is writing. Very good. Okay, Lu and Mehak, since you guys are done, tell me what does thread like mean? Thread like. What is the meaning of thread like?
दीदी thread like means जो plant मतलब बैठा हुआ रहता है ना उसकी अंदर की रूट्स के साथ वो बैठा हुआ रहता है जो प्लांट थीन रहती है.
Okay, thank you very much.
Spread,
Right.
spread.
Thank you, Ilu. Please put yourself back on mute. Habib, you want to answer? What does thread like mean?
Thread like is the three plants staying one and their mixed roots.
Okay, thank you very much, Habib, for answering. Anybody else wants to share? What does thread like mean?
धागे की तरह.
Aha, very good. धागे की तरह, Faizan. Iram is saying thin like a thread. Ilman Mek is saying spreaded. Faizan is saying धागे की तरह. Very good. Okay, thread like thread मतलब क्या? Thread मतलब धागा. सबने धागा देखा है ना, कपड़े का धागा. ठीक है? So thread like roots. Wait, a few people are still writing. Let them finish writing, then I'll explain. Okay. Take 1 more minute and finish writing. Okay, guys. Fatima is done. Amazing. Vivek Fardeen, unmute yourself and speak. Very good. Fatima, Shabista, Misbah. Okay, Vivek and Fardeen are done. Amazing. Please show me a thumbs up if you're done. Okay, guys. So that I know we can move on. Ilma and Mehak are done. Zara is done. Iram, no, you cannot leave, Iram. There's a lot left to study right now. Leave after a while, okay? Like, wait for 10 more minutes. Thank you, Zara. Thank you, Sania. Thank you, Iram. Thank you, Sabah. All right, guys, listening time. We are going to listen to Didi. Didi is going to explain, okay? So, thread-like or fiber-like, what does it mean? It means धागे की तरह पतला, ठीक है? तो अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ पे जो roots है, these roots, they are very, very thin. They are like a thread, okay? Why am I saying they are like a thread? Because they are very, very thin. Okay, they are very thin. I'm going to ask someone who hasn't answered anything yet. Talib, can you tell me why are we saying the roots are thread-like?
वो क्योंकि एकदम पतला है.
Very good. It is like a thread. Thread मतलब क्या, Talib?
धागा.
है ना? So these roots are very thin. They are like threads. Okay, that is why we're saying that they are thread-like roots. Okay, so when the roots are thread-like, जब roots ऐसे धागे की तरह दिखते हैं, thread-like or fiber-like, arising from the stem. Where are they arising from? Arising मतलब कहाँ से निकल रहे हैं ये roots? ये roots कहाँ से निकल रहे हैं? Stem से निकल रहे हैं. Okay, so they are thread-like or fiber-like roots. धागे की तरह roots है. That are coming out from the stem. Okay, जो हमारे stem से निकल रहे हैं, जो plant के stem से निकल रहे हैं. Okay, so in ऐसे roots को क्या बोलते हैं? ऐसे roots को बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं, फाइबरस रूट्स. ओके, फाइबरस रूट्स क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज वो फाइबर की तरह पतले पतले होते हैं. ओके, एग्जाम्पल क्या है? ग्रास, अनियन, banyan, sugar cane. These are all examples. Okay. All right. We are going to move on. 1 minute. Guys, give me 1 minute. Okay. Um,
Did you stop the screen sharing?
yes, Baba, give me 1 minute. Okay. I think there is some problem. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. I'll start screen
Okay.
sharing again. Oh, so sorry, guys. Just one.